There goes a white car passing by, and I hear an engine. And then they're spying over here. Look, they just turned their head over here. They keep spying and driving through here. These evil neighbors. I'm standing right here on my land, and I can hear them passing by. It was that white car and that gray sport car. They have a lot of parking area on that other side. They decide to come over here and be like very cornerish to my side of the land. They just passed by right now. Check it out. They did a U-turn and they're passing by again. Another one. Probably tag teaming friend of theirs coming from that blue house. Wow, they're gang stalkers around here for sure. And that ugly old grandpa wasn't driving that gray sport vehicle. It was their evil husband. He turned his whole head over here, stared straight at me. I'll be watching out for these creepos. Sen kunna man inte gav oss i armen och för det sen.